Hey guys, today I'm gonna give you a complete review of Monzo Bank and its applications to help you decide if it's the right choice for you or not. First of all, setting up your account is quick and easy. Just download the Monzo application, sign up with your details and verify your identity. Once approved, you'll get a contactless debit card linked to your account. Now, let's talk about Monzo's features. The application provides assistant spending notifications, easy budgeting tools, and fee-free spending abroad. Perfect for travelers. One standout feature is Monzo Pods, which lets you separate money for saving, bills, or specific goals, making budgeting effortless. When it comes to the security, Monzo is fully regulated by the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and offers FSCS protection, meaning your deposits are covered up to £85,000. However, there are some downsides to consider. Monzo has limited physical banking options and cash deposits to come up with a small fee. Plus, while the free account is great, premium features like Monzo's Plus and Monzo's Premium comes with a monthly cost. So, is Monzo good? If you love mobile banking, real-time budgeting, and fee-free travel spending, it's a fantastic option. But if you rely on in-person banking, you might need an alternative. What do you think? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you found this video or review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more banking reviews.